This is the eMeet Bluetooth conference speakerphone. Here we're going to do the unboxing. So including the package is the manual, information, USB charging cable, AUX cable, conference speakerphone. Here, look at the design. So the device has a 3.5mm audio output, microphone, AUX audio input, and micro USB port. Here we're going to look at the settings. So you have your power on off, your volume up, answer, hang up a call, calling voice control, multiple voice sources, Bluetooth, volume down, and your audio recording. Here we're going to look at the Bluetooth connection. And so it's eMeet M2 for the pairing. 360 far field voice pickup. Can you hear me? Can you hear me? Audio test.
Okay, so I'm going to test the audio. I'm using my home phone and speaking straight into the mic. And so hopefully you can hear me. So I'm going to put the phone down and try to walk 5 feet away and see if I still can pick it up. Can you hear me? Can you hear me? Anyways, I'm like 5 feet away from my home phone. I wonder if you guys can hear me through the actual conference speaker. Walking towards my phone, and so next I'm going to try is actually talking through my speaker and see how that sounds. Alright, so I'm testing the speaker. I'm about 2 feet away. I'm going to walk away and see if, probably like 6 feet, and see how good it picks up my audio. Okay, so I'm about 6 feet away, and hopefully you can hear me. I'm going to walk towards the device, same time talking, and so just want to see the same audio quality. Now I'm like right on top of the device, just want to see or hear how the audio sounds. That concludes my test.
Siri. Siri, what's today's weather?
Today's forecast for Winston-Salem is 91 degrees and partly cloudy.
Siri, what's traffic like in I-40?
There's light traffic in I-40 US, North Carolina. It's slower than usual.
Audio. If you like this video, please click like and subscribe.
Hi, I'm Ziming from eMeet. Today, we are going to show you our new product, eMeet Note N1. It is an AI speakerphone recorder. This device integrates call, record, and speech-text all in one. Now, let's get started. In the eMeet Note N1 box, we have an USB cable, an eMeet Note N1 device, a new carrying case, and an instruction manual. Press the power button. Then let the mobile phone and the Note N1 connect with Bluetooth. Sign up and sign in following the steps in the screen. Please feel free to contact us if you have any questions.
Hello, welcome back. We got another review video here for you. Today we're looking at the eMACROS speakerphone model EMC919. Right? Yes, MC919. So let's get this thing opened up, take a look at it, and see how we can set it up. So inside, of course, with anything, you got the user manual. You can go through this and get yourself familiar with it if you need. And we got the actual unit yourself. Comes with a nice little case, so you can take it anywhere on the go. And well, look at here. It's a heavy unit. Feels well made. Well, it has pretty decent weight on it, so that's good. And you got your USB cord here that wraps around. You just unwrap it, and you use this to either charge the battery or you connect it to your computer. If you want to have it hooked up to your computer, you can use it as a computer as well. But here, I would give it a plug it in and charge it for at least 4 hours before you even use it, which I've already had mine charged, so we're just going to go ahead and walk you through the different options here that it has. So the first thing you want to do, well, let's go over the buttons first. So we got the power button right here. We got the stereo button where you could click this, and if you have two speakers, two of the same speakers, you can connect it together to make it into a stereo mode. One speaker pairs with the other, and then it pairs to your Bluetooth device to get it in stereo mode. We only got one unit, so we don't need that. You got your hang up button here, your call hang up, your call answer, your Bluetooth pairing button, or your Bluetooth connected status light. You have your mute. You have your mute button there at the top. Battery button right there tells you how much battery you have left, when it's getting low, when it needs charging. When you do have it plugged in to a charging port, the light will blink, and that's to let you know that it's charging. Once it's done charging, the light will completely go off, and you know it's fully charged. You have your volume up, your volume down button, and then you also have your voice command button. Now this button right here, when you have your phone on and you tap that, it will open up a screen on your phone that you can have connected to some voice commands, whether you've got Alexa, Google Home, or the Amazon Alexa app, the Google Home app, or Bixby app on your phone. You can connect it to it. So as you can see, I said Alexa, and my Alexa in the background went off. So yeah, let's go ahead and power the button, hit the power. As you can see, it said power on, and lights up, and all the buttons are displayed brightly. And I'm gonna turn up the volume up all the way. And in order for you to get it paired up, you want to have your phone by. So we're gonna hit the Bluetooth connection or pairing. Hold it down until it starts blinking blue. Wait, did it blink? Okay. Let's turn it. Hold it down. There you go. So you want to hold it down for about 4 seconds. Blinking blue. That means it's in pairing mode. We're gonna turn on our Bluetooth for our phone. And we are going to look for the available devices. And as you can see here, we have MC919, which is what you want to connect to. We're going to click that.
Connected.
And now it says connected. So we're good to go. Now we're going to close. And now, anytime a phone call comes into your cell phone, you can answer it by hitting the answer call button. And while you're on a phone call and another phone call comes in, you can just toggle between it. You can hit that answer again, and it'll answer the previous incoming call, and put the other call on hold. And you just keep tapping it to switch in between calls. You want to hang up one, you just hang up while you're in that call. So pretty simple. And so while we're connected, even though we're inactive, if we're inactive, it'll go to standby mode, which is the power button blinking off and on. And if we're inactive for even a little bit longer, it'll actually go off. Which is kind of cool, saves battery, and you know, if you have Pandora connected to it and you're playing music, then you don't have to worry, it'll just stay on. So this is Sam. We're running a test for audio playback on the eMACROS 919 speaker, so that we can get a little bit of sound quality through video recording and voice playback. So test 1 2 3, test 1 2 3. This is Sam. We're running a test for audio for playback on the eMACROS 919 speaker, so that we can get a little bit of sound quality through video recording and voice playback. So test 1 2 3, test. So that was just a sound quality test through Bluetooth with a video recording that I done on my cell phone in playback mode. It's pretty loud, pretty clear. So the cool thing about this speaker is it's got the Qualcomm's CSR8675 Bluetooth chip, which is one of the best chips out there. It's got crystal clear sound. You can use this for conference calls and music. Also has the built-in Q Sound Advanced NCS16, which is a wideband 16 kHz noise suppression. Also has AES, which is acoustic echo cancellation, and FFS, which is far field voice pickup, and BFS, which is 2-mic-based beamforming software. It's an algorithm that's built in to it to provide an optimal call quality. So when you have two microphones, two is always better than one because it'll pick up the audio better. And with their algorithm that's built into it, we'll dissect it and make the sound quality a whole lot better. Now, like I was saying earlier, with this triangle button here at the bottom, right next to the power button, now when you press that, when it's on, you'll be able to interact with a whole bunch of different voice command systems, such as Google Now or MS Cortana if you have it linked to your PC, your Windows 10 PC. With Siri, Alexa, all those different applications, you'll be able to use it for voice command when you hit that. When you hit that, it will pop up on your phone. If you have those apps installed, such as Google Home or Alexa, it'll pop up the app on your phone when you have that. So as per example, we're gonna just squeeze this in here, hit the button, and as you can see, it picked up Google on my phone and is typing everything I'm saying. So it is a Google Assistant. If you wanted to say, Google, broadcast message, then you could go ahead and broadcast message over your whole home.
Here's what I found.
Now, if you're, like I said before, when you first open it up, make sure you charge it, give it a full charge, and you'll know when it's fully charged when the battery light goes off. But it's usually about 4 hours is a full charge. That's, if you're all the way almost low. And once it's fully charged, you're going to get about 10 hours use out of it when it's fully charged. Give or take, depending on your uses, whether it's the music or you're just using it for calling. But 10 hours, that would be the max.
If you're looking for a powerful speakerphone to make your conference more simple, the eMeet M1 is a solid option, which offers outstanding sound quality. Thanks to 6-round and 1 central microphone array, this model provides 360-degree omnidirectional audio pickup. The M1 conference speakerphone lets you instantly connect and start a video or audio conference via Bluetooth or USB. Just plug and play. With advanced audio technology, such as voice IA algorithm and acoustic echo canceller and noise reduction, it automatically cancels the background noises and allows your clients to hear the real you. What's more, it is compact and portable and fits easily inside your briefcase, wherever you're going. If you want a powerful, effective, and high audio quality conference speakerphone, it doesn't get much better than the M1.